In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Copilot in Power BI. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open Power BI Desktop on your computer. Once you've launched the application, head for the top left corner of the window. You should see the File tab. Go ahead and click on that. A menu will drop down. From here, select Options and Settings, and then click on Options. You'll find yourself looking at a window filled with different settings. In this Options window, look to the left-hand panel. Beneath the Global section, you'll find various settings to explore. What we're interested in today is the Preview Features option. Go ahead and select that. Now, once you click on Preview Features, you'll see a list of new features that you can enable. Take a moment to scroll through the options available. You'll notice several Copilot features that you can toggle on. You might want to start with Write DAX Queries with Copilot. This feature is fantastic for helping you craft your DAX expressions more efficiently. Next, consider enabling the Summary with Copilot feature. With this option activated, Copilot can provide concise summaries of your data, making your analysis process much smoother. Another useful feature is Improve Q&A with Copilot. This can enhance the natural language functionality within Power BI, enabling you to ask questions about your data in a straightforward way and receive insightful responses. Lastly, you may want to check Measure Descriptions with Copilot. This feature can be really helpful as it aids in documenting your measures clearly, allowing for better understanding in collaborative environments. So go ahead and check all the boxes for the features you want to enable. Once you've made your selections, don't forget to click the OK button to save your changes. This step is crucial as it ensures that your chosen features are set up correctly. After that, it's essential to restart Power BI to make sure the changes take effect. So go ahead and close the Power BI desktop application. Wait a moment and then relaunch it. Once you have Power BI open again, you should be all set to enjoy the new Copilot features you just enabled. And there you have it. With just a few steps, you've successfully enabled Copilot in Power BI. You'll find that these new features can add a great deal of convenience and efficiency to your data analysis tasks. Whether you're writing complex DAX queries or summarizing data for reports, Copilot is here to assist you. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on Mac.